Hey everybody, and welcome back to Beard My Mind. I know, it's been a long time. My beard has been severed lengths since the last time we talked, but that is neither here nor there. Today, we're simply going to be talking about one subject. I just got out of the shower. As always, try to dry your beard. Try not to scrub it and get super aggressive with it. We just want to dry it off as much as we can. We don't want to pull out any of the beard hair, right? So, I've been getting a question a lot recently, and I thought I might cover it. Now, the main question I get is, what does beard oil do? If I put beard oil in my beard, will it straighten it? Well, short answer and very disappointing answer is no. If you have a curly beard, honestly, there's no miracle. There's nothing easy. There's no kind of cream or oil that's going to make your beard straight. Simply put, what a beard oil is, I use Amish. It's my favorite one. There's hundreds out there, probably more than that. Simply put, what a beard oil does is soften your beard, give it a little bit of shine, and it hydrates the skin. It's like a leave-in conditioner and a lotion all in one. Because when you have a beard, your face tends to get really dry, and depending on what your work environment is, your beard gets really dry and it gets brittle. And honestly, beard oil is going to help your beard not be brittle. It's going to help it not look so dry, and it's just going to make it healthier. It's going to help your skin not itch. So if you're looking for a way to straighten your beard, beard oil is not it. There are ways to straighten your beard, and I'll actually put a link in the description. Maybe I'll put the video up right here of one of the ways you can straighten your beard. But I mean, the short end of the stick is beard oil will not straighten your beard. It could style it to a certain point, but it will not straighten it. It will not really hold the style. I do see a lot of videos out there saying, oh, before beard oil and after beard oil, maybe their beard looked a little something like mine. Super duper curly, and then they put in beard oil and it was magically straight. Well, I gotta tell you, that's a complete fabrication. They might have made their beard look curly by just roughing it up, or the beard might have looked curly, but it wasn't really curly. Usually, if you have a straight beard and you put beard oil in, it does a pretty decent job of making it look pretty good. But if you have a curly beard, beard oil is not going to straighten it. So that being said, when you apply beard oil, you could just apply it generously. So you're not going to need a lot. I'll see, about a dime size, penny size. Just put it around in your hands so you feel your hands getting warm. Slide at the skin. And that's what you're trying to protect, is your skin. Try to make it not itch, try to make it not get dry. And then just kind of work it in everywhere. A little bit goes a long way. And once you get all that beard oil in, use a comb. Simple detangling brush. You don't need a wooden comb or anything like that. Just a simple detangling brush. I get a Conair. I get this wooden one because I just like this color. And then you just comb your beard. Different beard oils will give you different sheens, I guess you could say. Some beard oils are really, really oily. So if you put a beard oil in and then you try to, I don't know, say use your phone, and then you look at your phone afterwards, it might be full of oil. And that's the kind of oil I try to stay away from, because it kind of makes your beard look like you haven't washed it for a long time. I know the old saying is, oh my God, he looks like he never washes his beard, it's so oily. But that's not the case. The longer you go without washing your beard, the more brittle and dry it gets. It doesn't look oily. But yeah, simple as that. If you want, you could put it in multiple times a day, keep it in your pocket. Honestly, I'd say maybe once a day, twice if you absolutely have to. But the more you put it in, the more you're aggravating the fibers on your beard, the more you're aggravating the beard itself. You want to try to play with your beard the least amount possible. So I say after you get out of the shower or straight in the mornings. Simple. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you don't have a mustache comb, if you got a pretty good mustache, just a little tiny plastic comb works fine. I've never had any issues with the combs and brushes I use. But yeah, that's just a generalization of what beard oil does, what beard oil is for. Unfortunately, if you have a curly beard, beard oil is not the way to go about it. I mean, yes, you should use beard oil, don't get me wrong, but it's not going to straighten out your beard. So, questions, comments, put them on down below. Hopefully, I'll start making more videos soon, and I'll see you guys next time.